change the direction. Look, it's now more straight. So, doesn't matter how you turn, it's always flat. Keep flat. You cannot, this one move, this one don't move. Yeah. Eh? This is 90. Yeah, you move this one have to move. This one go up, this one go down. Yeah? So, same. So this is coordination, okay? And relax, remember. Look back, see? Yeah, don't do. Our waist is here. It's longer, you know, than. See, still straight arm. Okay, like, ready? Go, cross. Yes, cross. Marble cross, yes. Then go, body, longer. Long, big step, yeah. Go, turn your body. Cross. Go. Yes, good. Go. Wrong. Go. No. Yeah. This one down, this one up. Yeah, go. Yeah, this is right. Then cross. Then go. Go. Wrong. This one up, yes. Go. Right. Cross. Ready. Go. Marble. Cross. Go. Turn body. Gongbu. Go. Keep arms straight, yeah. Go. Body. Keep flat. Go. Cross. Go. Go. The arm still a little missing. Go. Body. Keep flat. Go. 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 Ready. Marble. Go. Cross. Go. Marble. Cross. Go. Keep your arm straight. Go. 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 Marble. Go. Go. Yes, it continues it's like that. Yeah. Go, body, keep, yeah. Yes, get it. Got it. Go. Got it. And yes. Then you got it, just relax. Yeah. Go. Good, yeah, good. You have look back. Look back, yes. Look back. Cross. First the line. Yeah. Ready? Ready. Cross. Cross first. Cross first. Yeah. Go. One. Again. See. Yeah. From here. Cross. Yeah. If you're from his side, you cross. You know, it's always cross. Like from this side, you have to one step cross. This is a marble, okay? Again. Wait. Ready. Turn your toe, turn your here. Marble, cross. Flexible, okay, relax. Ready? Go. Yes, relax. Don't jump. Just whip. Just whip. Yeah, whip. Okay, ready? Go. Yes, very good. Relax. Very good. Hui. Yes. Hui. Your father do good now. Yeah. Relax. Yeah. Go. See, when you do relax, it's much better. See, today I see the movement already improved. You know, already improved. It's very easier. Look, very easier. Ready? Go. Yes, yes, very easy. Good, good, good. Ready? Go. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, then close. Yeah, this one close little. 1, 2, 3. Open. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. 弓步，主弓步 the left one. Ready? Remember, okay, still straight. Your knee straight. You can do this, you can do this, but it cannot bend it. Straight. 1, bend here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stretching here. 5, 6. Stretching here. 6. Yeah, stretching here. 7. Go down. Stretching here. 8. Yes. 9. Yes. 10. Straight and stretching here. Okay, change. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stretching this part. Yes. Your hand can use. 4, 5. Yeah, it's here. 6. Here straight. 7, 8, 9. Yes, very good. 10. Stretching here, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretching here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Rest. Most. Relax. 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 Then go down. Pubu. This first. 1. Your bottom sitting on your heel. Touch. Yeah, complete. Okay. 2. Change this side. Complete. Okay, complete here. Yeah, close, complete. 3. Good. 4. 5. 6. Keep body straight. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, 10. Right leg straight. Keep your leg straight. Okay, then body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Body bigger. 9, 10. Change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your knee point to your toe. Yeah, don't do this. Point it open. Open. Yeah. Try check your knee. Okay. Your knee point to your toe. Yeah. Toe here. Knee also here. Yes. Yes. That's why I see you wrong. It's here.
Yeah.
So you open. Yes. Then 1. Body. Big straight. 2. Go. Yes. 3. Like this. 4. If your here is too tight, keep straight. Keep straight. 1. Straight here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and stand up. Get up. Relax your hips, relax your leg.